Good morning, everybody. Today is January 2nd, 2020. So happy new year to you. And let's talk about what stocks to buy for this year. Today I'd like to talk about international markets, and in particular about China. There's a huge company in China called China Life Insurance. It's being traded under the ticker LFC at $14 a share, and I recommend you to buy this stock. There are a few reasons why you should buy this stock. Reason number one, this company, invested a lot of their money actually into American stock market. And as you know, the American stock market was booming. S&P 500 made 28% last year. So China Life Insurance actually made a lot of money by investing in U.S. market. The other thing is the social responsibility inside China is actually going up based on the latest surveys. In a sense, if you ask somebody in China, what are you going to leave to your children if after your death, especially if it happens suddenly, a lot of Chinese don't really have that much assets for their children to inherit. So China Life Insurance Company was promoting the message that we are a great alternative to secure the future of your children and your families by offering very high payouts for more or less modest fees to insure life in China. So those two things were basically boosting China Life Insurance stock up almost like 30% in 2019. But the growth was very gradual, very sustainable, and all the technical and fundamental indicators for this company are looking really good, and there's a lot of interest from investors for this company. In particular, Renaissance Technologies, which is a US-based hedge fund, is #1 holder of China Life Insurance shares in the US. But a lot more hedge funds are waking up to these investments, especially because it looks like Trump and China finally will come to the agreement, and they already signed, I think, the first stage of the trade deal, where they would forfeit the future sanctions and also increases in customs duties for Chinese products coming to the United States. All this creates a favorable investment climate for US investors to actually continue the investment into China, and actually China investing in United States. So so we have basically another two favorable conditions, and they are that Chinese business or Chinese companies will not have any kind of problematic environment to continue to invest in U.S. stock market, which basically allows China Life Insurance Company to continue benefit and profit from U.S. stock market. And also, in order for the Chinese for the stock to go up, obviously you need a lot more interest from investors, and it looks like U.S. investors are warming up to China again, and more interest is coming towards this stock. So I would highly recommend to buy this stock for 2020. Also, if you want to find other great stocks to buy, there's an app that I personally developed, and you could find it by going to the website 2stx.com, and this app runs on iPhone, iPad, and Apple TV, and you could download, install it, and run it by going to the website that will directly take you to the Apple App Store. If you want to see other video recommendations for other stocks to buy in 2020, please visit my YouTube channel by going to the website called gotyoutube.com. That will take you directly to the collection of all videos that were published in the last few days and weeks. And last but not least, if you would like to join our fans and users of our apps, please visit our Facebook page by going to the website facebook3.com, and it will take you directly to our Facebook page where you could see the news and share your opinions and ask questions from developers of our apps, and particularly you could ask me personally. So thank you for your time, and good luck trading in 2020, and a happy new year.